ready with the new ones again. Spinning time coming. You're welcome to start and participate here. Everybody, we gotta go. You ready? Show me, please. Looks great today. Thank you so much. Only don't bet your dog, please. Is Oscar coming back? I don't know. Crazy Town 4x multiplier here, everybody. You can ask. You can ask Oscar though. You can ask Oscar. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like a crazy time, and this time is the 4x multiplier here. Let's go. Let's do it, guys. Hopefully, we will get it right. Great! Great! Woo! Crazy time! Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Make It Real. But first of all, we gotta go to flip it, make it, take it, and the 4x. So everybody check it out. Green, blue, yellow flopper. Which one will be yours? Please show me. Some splits. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing on a splits. Hopefully you can see it, like kinda. 800x is the biggest possible multiplier. We got it. Yay! Here we go. $100x, 80, and 800x for the yellow. $7,380 winners this time in total of this one's. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 4,262 winners this time in total of this. The number 5. That one, everybody. Yes. Thank you, thank you. Congratulations. Ну, Влад, ну хорош, ну. Что? Ну что? Ну что? Vlad, ну stop it, like, no what do you mean? No what? No what? No what? What do you want to say? Huh? No, tell me. Tell me. What? Pachinko 7x, everybody. Okay, that's the pachinko now. I love it. Okay, everybody, we got it. Check this out with that pachinko. Warren, thank you so much for it. Like, appreciate it as well. Like, let's go, guys. Look at the board. 14x will be the smallest one, right? So 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 100, and a double. Like, I don't know what to say that. So people, 14 the smallest one, 700x is the biggest one, right? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta go to the drop. Wish you the best of luck. Let's go, baby! $7,261. Yee-hoo! Congratulations with the 280. 280. Let's go, people. 280. Backflip was...
Congratulations to all of you. Let's continue. Good luck, everyone. So last 3 pachinkos was 280, 4, and 10x multipliers. Good luck. There's going to be 2 with 2x multi, everyone. So guys, good luck. That's going to be pachinko once again. So bonus game once again, everyone. Let's go. That's great, everyone. So, Packer, woo, thank you for cheering. That's going to be for Chinko. You see, guys, all this money? That's going to be yours. Let's keep going. So, right now, we're going to be starting with 3x multi. Then we also have 5, 7, 10, 15, 25, and the 200. Ooh, I love that 200 right there. Okay, guys, let's hope we get it, right? Good luck, everyone. We're going to drop from here. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. It's 200, baby, 200. Yes! Woo! We did it! We did it! Amazing, everyone. Now you're going to be loving me again, right? That's going to be 200x multiplier on Pachinko and be asked with 25,000 euros for yourself. That was amazing. We loved it. No way you did it. See, Banco, have some faith in me. A bit bigger bat. Amazing! Passer, so excited. Enjoy.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic.